In front of me is Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords autofill. You need to begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google and tap on Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on the password that you wish to check, enter your screen lock and click on eye icon right next to it to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!